Making a dent in English. Understanding the phrase, make a dent in. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the interesting phrase, make a dent in. This is a phrase you might hear in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, make a dent in, is an idiom. Idioms are phrases where the meaning isn't directly related to the individual words. Specifically, make a dent in means to make some progress in a task that is large or difficult. Imagine a large metal surface. Making a dent in it would mean you've made a noticeable impact, though there might still be a lot left to do. Let's look at some examples to understand it better. 1. I've made a dent in my homework, but there's still a lot to do. Here, it means the speaker has started and made some progress, but still has more to work on. 2. We need to make a dent in these sales targets. This implies starting to achieve a large or challenging goal. It's important not to confuse make a dent in with causing physical damage. In everyday speech, it's almost always metaphorical, referring to progress or impact, not physical dents. Use it to describe progress in large tasks or challenges. It's informal, so best used in casual conversations or personal writing. Avoid using it in very formal or academic contexts. And that's a wrap on Make a Dent In. Remember, learning idioms like this one can really add flair to your English. We hope this video helps you in making a dent in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you next time.